Welcome to PK Woodworking. And behind me is my dovetail machine. It's a Northtech, I think it's a DTM SA1 or something like that. 2008 circa. I got it from a shop in the San Diego area. It's an automatic dovetailer, but it only makes one kind of dovetail. It doesn't make multiple kinds. You do have to do some adjusting to get it to work. So this could either be a really quick video where the dovetails come out amazing, or it could be a video where I'm spending a ton of time trying to dowel this thing in. So we'll see how that works. I did already mill up some maple for this. It's 16 millimeters is what I picked, so close to 5/8. Normally I would run the side and an edge on the side on the shaper to get like rounded edges or whatever and all that kind of stuff, but I'm just trying to see if this thing makes a good dovetail or not at this point in time. So let's give it a shot, see what it does. Okay. So how it works is, it's got clamps. You put the vertical piece in first, I believe. Clamp it, get your fingers out of the way. Now it's in there. And then this one, you put up against this. Now, the weird part is seems as though that is not the straightest piece of wood the guy has here, so, but whatever. Okay. Oh, well, that'd probably help. Make sure that they're all clamped in there. Okay, so then after you're done with that, you get them in, then you start the machine. So I'm gonna start up the spindle. Then I'm gonna start up the part that actually moves the machine in and out. Now I'm going to start the machine. Okay, I had that wrong. This part goes all the way to the back. Wait a minute. This part, something's going on here. This part's supposed to be there. And then this part is supposed to be there. Somehow I had that wrong. Let's try this. Let's try this again. All right, let's see how this all went. Wow. Okay. I gotta hammer this together, but I literally didn't touch it. Let's get a hammer real quick. Okay, so that was the little mess up you heard on it originally, but I mean, that's a great joint. Wow. That's awesome. Okay, let's try it with a 5-inch and see how that works. It's a little crazy on the dust collection, but all right, here we go, one more time. Wow. Okay. I'm super impressed. And I had it on the slowest speed. I wonder how much better it is if I went on the faster speed. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. All right, so let's go here and here. Okay, now I'm going to the high speed. Don't know what that is. We'll see. So definitely faster. Same outcome, pretty much. Like, wow. Okay, I'm sold. That was a quick video. I'm gonna try to give you a better view of this. So let's do the one for 4-inch drawer over again. And like that. Okay, so hopefully this is going to show you what this process looks like. So here at a slower speed. So the machine technically has 4 speeds. Sorry, 6 speeds. It has multiple ones that you can pick inside and then 2 via a switch on the side. So I just did that one in the slower speed so you can get a better idea of like what's going on. But man, works great. I think it still could use some fine tuning, but pretty good for me. Well, there you have it. It cuts dovetails in like, I don't know, seconds basically. And the previous guy that had it set up is pretty darn close. I maybe could make it slightly tighter. Well, maybe not. It seems to go in a little tighter there. Anyway, I really think that this is the way to go. So I might not have it here long term. I might put it in a different part of the shop because it doesn't seem like you need to get to the backside as much as I thought you might need to get to the backside of it. So, but anyways, man, that thing is legit. So she's sticking around. Thanks for watching PK Woodworking. I appreciate it. I was kind of kidding when I was wearing a Western Dovetail shirt, but anyways, now it's PK Dovetails. Have a great one. See you on the next video.